In the brainstem, there is a sequence of neurons that carries information concerning painful, thermal, and poorly localized tactile information from the face to the primary somatosensory cortex. This set of neurons is similar to those of the spinothalamic tract that carry painful, thermal, and light touch information from the body to the cortex. The trigeminal nerve has three parts, including V1, the ophthalmic nerve, V2, the maxillary nerve, and V3, the mandibular nerve. The cell bodies of the sensory neurons of the trigeminal nerve are located in the trigeminal ganglion. The axons of the sensory neurons descend through the brainstem as the spinal trigeminal tract. From caudal pons to upper cervical levels, the spinal trigeminal nucleus runs just medial to the tract. The axons of those sensory neurons having to do with light touch and non-noxious stimuli of the teeth and gums tend to descend the shortest distance, entering the adjacent spinal trigeminal nucleus at rostral levels of the medulla. The axons of thermal sensory neurons terminate in the spinal trigeminal nucleus in the mid-medulla. The axons of sensory neurons carrying information about noxious stimuli descend the farthest before terminating in the spinal trigeminal nucleus at caudal levels of the medulla and rostral levels of the cervical spinal cord. Notice that not only is the spinal trigeminal nucleus continuous with a portion of the dorsal horn gray matter, but in the caudal medulla and the rostral cervical cord, the spinal trigeminal nucleus and the tip of the dorsal horn are quite large. The axons of the second-order neurons whose cell bodies are in the spinal trigeminal nucleus begin their ascent to the dorsal thalamus by gradually crossing the midline and accumulating as the ventral trigeminothalamic tract. At first, only pain fibers are in this tract, but they are soon joined by second-order neurons conveying thermal information to the dorsal thalamus. At rostral levels of the medulla, the ventral trigeminothalamic tract is joined by axons of second-order neurons responsible for light touch and non-noxious stimuli from the tissues between and around the teeth. As rostral levels of the brainstem are reached, the ventral trigeminothalamic tract can be seen traveling toward the dorsal thalamus just dorsal to the medial lemniscus and the spinothalamic tract of the ALS. While the spinothalamic and DCML tracts enter the VPL nucleus of the thalamus, the second-order neurons from the spinal trigeminal nucleus terminate in a more medial nucleus, the NVPM. The third-order neurons in the NVPM send their axons to the primary somatosensory cortex via the posterior limb of the internal capsule and corona radiata. They terminate in the somatosensory cortex just above the lateral fissure. Each of the divisions of the trigeminal nerve is responsible for innervation of important structures in addition to skin. Shown here is a list of those structures.